for Samson, and I'll be taking primary 4, quantitative reasoning. In the previous class, we learned about operational sign, but in today's class, we're looking at Roman numerals. Remember, in mathematics, we have done Roman numerals before. We said the Romans used symbols to present their numbers, and the Hindu Arabics used numerals. Now, we are going to see how to represent symbols with numbers. In this, we have 1, who represents I, we have 5 represent V, we have 10 represent X, and we have 50 representing L. We have some examples to solve. The first example is, we are to identify what XL is. Remember, we are given 50 to be L, and if XL is given to you, and the smaller number is on the left-hand side, you are going to subtract. It means you are going to say 50 minus 10, which will give us 40. That's how we have 40 represented here. Now, here is another exercise. We have LX. What is L? L is 50. What is X? X is 10. When you have a smaller number on your right-hand side, you are going to add L plus X, meaning 50 plus 10 gives you what? 60. You write 60 in the box. Here we have another Roman numeral. We have XI. X represents 10 and I represents 1. I told you that when the smaller number is on your right-hand side, you always add. So it tells you that you are going to add X and I. X representing 10 and I representing 1, which will give you 10 plus 1 gives you 11. Now let's come to this. An example is already given to us. XX, which gives you 20. And we have a number represented here. I. What is I? I is 1. When you have 3 of them, what would that be? It will give you 3. Here is another symbol. X is 10. I is 2. 10 plus 2 gives you what? 12. And here is a number here, and you have to look for what it represents. 9. 1 is smaller than 10 because it's on the left hand side. So it's going to be 10 minus 1, giving you 9. Here we have XV. X is given to be 10, V is given to be 5. When you add them, it gives you what? 15. I is 1, another I making what? 2. Now let's come to this. XX, 20. V is 5. 20 plus 5, what would that be? To be 25. V is already 5. I is 2. When you add 5 plus 2, it gives you what? 7. Now look at this. L is 50. V is 5. When you add them, 50 plus 5 gives you what? 55. XV is 15. When you add 15 plus I is 2. 15 plus gives you what? 17. Now look at the last example. L is given to be what? 50. I is 2. 50 plus 2 gives you 52. Then we have this IV. I is a smaller number. V is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So you have 4 in the box. Pupils at home, you have examples to study on page 66 of your quantitative reasoning textbook. You are going to do the exercises on that page. When you go through these examples, you see the exercises given to you to do on that page 66. And you also attempt the exercise on page 67 on the platform. If there are any questions you have, you can drop it on the platform. And you have to bring your textbook every Friday for the teachers to mark. If there are any questions you have and you don't understand, please, you can drop your questions on the platform and send your parents with your textbook on Fridays. Do have a nice day. Thank you.